Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Studio Delight. It is affiliated with Hobby Lobby Peacock. And here it is. If you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember that I purchased a few kits from Hobby Lobby. I actually ordered them online because we do not have physical store nearby. So I purchased a few kits from Hobby Lobby from the brand that is affiliated with Hobby Lobby stores, Studio Delight. This kit is called Peacock. In the size of 40 by 50 centimeters, it is a full round drill diamond painting kit, and it came, as if I'm not mistaken, with 42 colors, but let me double check. No, I'm sorry, I counted, and if my count is correct, it's 26 colors because I misplaced the legend, because technically I'm not needed. Over here, all the symbols are very clear. They are either alphabetic or numeric, but at the same time, the bags are not numerated. So I was just counting it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope I didn't make a mistake, but it's around like 26, 27 colors. Surprisingly, this kit came with one AB color, yellow one, and with two metallic colors. These two. But as you can see, the bag is not opened because I replaced this very color with diamond dots metallic drills because they are more faceted, they sparkle better, and all the drills in this kit were acrylic. And you know, I'm not really a fan of acrylic drills because they do not sparkle as intense as resin drills, and resin drills get glued better to the canvas. However, the quality of the drills is pretty decent. If we talk about, again, acrylic drills, there were not very many damaged drills, and I had more than enough leftover drills. Look at that. I think that's a lot, right? This kit contained a lot of confetti, almost no color blocking except of maybe this bottom part, the body, right, of the Peacock, but at the same time it was not that hard to diamond paint because the adhesive, which was a poured glue, was pretty good, and as I said, the quality of acrylic drills was pretty decent. However, of course, I enhanced this kit with crystal drills. I replaced many colors, orange for example, yellow, blue. I also used opal yellow color. I also used orange ABs over here, white ABs on the head, and blue ABs on the peacock's neck. To tell the truth, I enjoyed diamond painting it, especially after my I'm sorry for that cemetery flowers from Make Market. Okay, not cemetery, goth style, right? Gothic, not goth. Gothic style, right? Gothic style, I don't know. But this one is super bright. It had a lot of room for customization, which I like. There is so much, you know, room to play with and to replace the colors. And I really like my customization. I think it looks even brighter, and unfortunately the camera doesn't show the sparkle. Due to, of course, drills being acrylic, it doesn't sparkle as intense, but in real life, it sparkles way better than what you see on the screen. Once I frame it, maybe you will be, I will be able to capture this sparkle better than I can do it now. In the end, it took me 1 week to finish it. The kit itself was very cheap. It was around $7. If you go to Hobby Lobby website, you will be able to purchase it from there if it is still in stock, if it is still available. Unfortunately, Studio Delight doesn't have that many designs to choose from, but they have a few that I really like, and I'm really very happy purchasing them. This is one of them, the Peacock. Although I'm not really a fan of diamond painting animals or birds, but I noticed that again, it's really a lot of fun to diamond peacocks because there is a lot of room for enhancement and drills replacement. And I'm not sure why, but people love getting it as a gift or purchasing this very design, peacock's design, to give away as a gift. But right, I mean, peacocks are very beautiful birds. And $7 for the kit like this is almost as if you're getting it for free. It's a very low price. So this is not my first kit from Studio Delights, from Hobby Lobby. I finished this gorgeous Midnight Fox. I love how it turned out. Look at that. I love the detailization. And this one, camping scene, over there I also made a lot of customization and I love how it turned out. It's gorgeous. So this is the third one, and I also have one more kit from the same brand, Pumpkins, but it comes already pre-mounted, mounted on the wood, okay? So pre-framed, it comes pre-framed, mounted on the wood, so I wouldn't have to put it behind the glass. But again, be mindful of acrylic drills. For example, when it comes to resin drills in Diamond Art Club or Diamond Dots, I can scratch them like that and nothing will fall out with all my force. But when it comes to acrylic drills, some may fall out. So as I said, that what's typical of acrylic drills, they do not sparkle as intense as resin drills, and they do not get glued as hard to the canvas, right, as resin drills. But again, they're pretty good. So let's frame and see how it looks behind the glass. And it is ready. That's how it looks framed. Yeah, unfortunately, you cannot really see the sparkle as well as I see it. But if you're considering purchasing this very kit, I think it's definitely worth it. It's worth every penny. Actually, in my opinion, it's worth way more than $7. And even if you use its original colors, it will still turn out fantastic. Absolutely the same picture as on the preview. I'm sorry that I do not really make the videos as I used to record the post reviews before. I included the unboxing of the kit, the work in progress, and then the final result. I'm way too lazy to do it at this point. So, but I still want you to see the completed picture and make a decision if it's worth your time, because it's not always about the money, right? Studio Delights kits are super cheap in my opinion, but we are also talking about the money. I mean, about the time, not only the money. So if you like how it worked, how it turned out, and if you are willing to spend your time on diamond painting it, it's definitely worth purchasing. I think it looks better from this angle because at least some sparkle can be captured on the camera. Look how gorgeous it is. So I have three gorgeous diamond painting kits from Studio Delight, Hobby Lobby. The Peacock, the Midnight Fox, and the camping scene. And I personally love every single of them. And I'm really very happy that I found this very brand. American brands are the best, aren't they? This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link to the Peacock in the description box below. But again, guys, I'm not sure if it is still available or not. Bye.